Good morning, students. Welcome in your new class. Our topic is going on microorganism, friend and foe. So, in last class, we have seen what is called microorganism, how they are friend and how they are foe. But in detail, today we will see types of microorganisms. Already we have seen. There are 5 types of microorganisms. Already we have seen. I think you have learned, you have memorized. Today we will see friendly microorganism and harmful microorganism. Friendly microorganism and harmful microorganism. See, beneficial microorganism is called friendly microorganism and harmful already it is harmful. So friendly microorganism, how they are friendly? In the milk there are microorganisms, lactobacillus bacteria, so it is friendly. In the soil there is leguminous bacteria, so it provide nitrogen to the plant. In pudding cake there is a yeast, so it provide give softness and fluffy to the cake. So in this way number of microorganisms are helpful in the production of alcohol, cleaning of environment. These all take place with the help of microorganism, है ना, as a decomposer. See, written here as a decomposer. Microorganisms also behave like a decomposer because complex dead and decaying form it change into simple form, so easily it can mix with soil, so it also behave like a decomposer. So one by one we will see. First we are going to see about a commercial use of microorganism. Number of uses we have seen in that not a, they are used that as a single form, they are used as a commercial form. So how commercially they use? In the production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. In the industry, these things produces that is alcohol, wine, acetic acid also called vinegar. With the help of microorganisms, these things prepare. There is one more term is fermentation. With the help of sugar, this process take place. That is called fermentation. Medicinal use also. A number of medicine prepared with the help of microorganisms. So one term is antibiotic. Anti means opposite. Biotic means not growth of biological body. That is microorganism. So medicine which kill or stop the growth of bacteria and fungi is called a antibiotic. See, always when you get sick, suppose common cough, cold, doctor used to say take antibiotic. What is that antibiotic? That antibiotic is medicine which prepared with the help of microorganism, and that antibiotic prevent the growth of microorganism, disease causing microorganism. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, penicillin. You will learn by heart these names. Now, that prepared with the help of fungi and bacteria. है ना? So in these days antibiotic is also using in poultry farming, yes, and for plant also, means for plant, for animal and for human, this antibiotic is using to prevent the growth of microorganism. So one more term is antibodies. So whenever a microorganism enter in our body, our white blood cell as a soldier first start to fight with that pathogen, that microorganism, disease causing microorganism. It, so that time our body produce some chemical that is called antibodies. That chemical name is antibodies, है ना, chemical produced by bodies to fight with disease, which can be improved with the help of vaccine. So when we take vaccine, these antibodies develop in our body. More type of antibodies develop in our body, है ना. So what is vaccine? We need to know here written vaccine. So what is vaccine? First we need to know. So this vaccine is also the medicine which provide immunity against a particular disease. Suppose we are taking about a vaccine of hepatitis. So what is the cause of hepatitis? When we take vaccine, so in the form of vaccine, doctor introduce chemical medicine in our body which formed by dead or near about to death, that particular type of microorganism. Suppose we are taking a medicine, a vaccine of polio, that is oral drop we are taking. So this polio vaccine is prepared by the microorganism by which polio disease take place. But that microorganism which is cause polio is just death or near about to death, so that when it introduced in our body, our white blood cell recognize that one. So whenever it attack in our body, it produce this type of antibody, so that our body become disease free. Understood now? So this is role of vaccine. So three term is there: antibiotic, antibodies, and vaccine. So very important these three terms. Please learn, memorize this one. One is vaccination. The process of giving vaccine to a healthy body is called vaccination. So this vaccine introduced in the healthy body, there is a process. Doctor do not give whenever you go and doctor will give vaccine. No, it has some time, some process, that is called vaccination. For example, cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox. About this disease, vaccines are available. So doctor give us, that is called vaccination. So another important use, increase soil fertility. Yes, bacteria increase soil fertility also. This blue green alga also in the beginning also we have seen, so this alga produce oxygen also and convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate so that plant can use. So these are the use, increasing soil fertility of the microorganism with the help of bacteria. Very important, please learn, memorize this one, very important. And cleaning the environment, already we have discussed. So decomposed by microorganisms, whatever bodies, plant bodies, animal bodies, dead, it decomposed with the help of microorganisms and change into manure. So in this way our environment become clean. And some harmful effect also. So this one term comes pathogen. So that pathogen comes in the harmful microorganism. Means what? Pathogen means what? It is also very important term. Disease causing microbes are called pathogen. Means those microorganisms because of which disease take place in our body is called pathogen. In plant also, in human also, in animal also. So number of food get spoiled, leather become spoiled. So this is because of the harmful microorganism. Number of diseases also take place. So these diseases spread in the environment with the help of water, air, food. So that we should not take contaminated food. That contaminated food or spoiled food is harmful for our body. So number of diseases take place. About these diseases tomorrow we will talk in next video. You watch a video on this topic.
Students, these microorganisms are broadly categorized into useful microorganisms and harmful microorganisms. Now we discuss the friendly activity of a microorganism in detail. One such friendly microorganism is yeast. Yeast is used in the baking industry and our homes for making breads, cakes, and pastries, etc. The bacterium Lactobacillus is useful to make curd from milk. Microorganisms are also useful in commercial and medicinal field. For instance, yeast is used in the distillery industry for large-scale production of alcohol, beer, and wine. Some other bacteria are helpful in production of antibiotics and vaccines. Vaccination is helpful in several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis. Hey, now let me tell you what are other benefits provided by useful microorganisms. Some bacteria and blue-green algae increase the soil fertility by atmospheric nitrogen fixation process. Nitrogen fixation is the biological process in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. There are other friendly anaerobic bacteria that are used in the synthesis of biogas. Biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and hydrogen sulfide. Dear students, these microorganisms are
Students, then see, I think everything will be clear in your mind. So next topic we will discuss in next video. Okay, bye.